First of all, let's open Microsoft Word. So most of the time, the certificate is in like landscape layout. So let's do landscape. Now let's go to design. So as you can see, here's the page border and page color. So if you want to change color of the page, you can do that, but I'm going to stick to white. And for the page border, there's styles here. You can check it out in this side. And there's arts here too. So like if you want to go with a design like this, go ahead, but I'm going to stick to this style. Here's the colors options, but I'm going to go with black. So as you can see, we have laid out our border of the certificate. Now let's go to insert. Let's go to shapes and a rectangle. You can use a text box which you just saw, but I'm gonna use the shapes one because it's more easy to use. Let's go to shape format, and here you go. That's right. Home. Let's go with 48. I'm gonna go with Times New Roman, and here you go. Let's do this again. Copy and paste. Let's go with 16. Copy and paste. I'm gonna go with a smaller font. So it's 14. Calibri. So now let's go to insert and let's go to shapes. Use this one like subtraction. So here you go, perfect. So you can change your colors over here, whatever you want. Orange if you like, but I'm gonna stick with black. So again, Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V, copy and paste. Put your name over here. Let's go to home page. I'm gonna put like 36. Let's use this font. So this is it. You put your name over here, and then let's do this again. Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V. Let's go in this one. Okay. So for this part, which I have just clicked, this will be given to you by your customer, what to write. The name also will be given to you, and what kind of certificate it is. So now let's go to the last part. You can just copy this and paste it. Maybe a little closer. Okay. Let's do copy and paste. So this part will also be given to you by a customer. It's the name of the people who organized it. Or the one who needs to sign it, so you don't need to worry about that. So we're gonna go with, he's a CEO. So this is the title of this person. let's do the same thing over here. So it's done now. This is finished. This is how it looks like. You can add a logo over here. Let me add a shape to it. So this is the logo of the company, which I am making the certificate of, which is non-existent. Non-existent, like it doesn't exist. Let's arrange, bring forward. So that's it. Let's see how it looks printed. So this is how it looks printed. It looks pretty good. It looks exactly as we want it. So let's save this. So the thing you want to do is, if people ask you for a source document which they can change by themselves, like edit it, then you give it to them in Word document. But we're gonna do PDF because we're gonna post it in Fiverr. So PDF, and it's better for electronics. So let's go with this export.